Ang Sierra Valley ay ang pinakabagong destination estate dito sa Cainta, Rizal. In the estate ay may malalapit na establishments tulad ng shopping malls, groceries, restaurants, bar, fast food chains, car wash, gasoline stations, convenience stores, banks, hospitals, schools, and churches. Lahat ng conveniences na ito ay abot kamay mo sa Sierra Valley Gardens. So ano pang inaantay nyo? Inquire now!